Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 8. Wanna explain question number 1. The question is, when someone is speaking, he is actually producing utterance according to psycholinguistics. An utterance is product by involving a number of processes. So what processes are involved in producing an utterance?
Okay.
The first answer will be explained.
My answer is, in my opinion, the process involved in producing speech. Humans have been equipped biological by nature to produce language through the means of speech. Tongue, lips, teeth, tooth, cavities, through assisted by hearing aids. Mental lexicon is also related to human memory, where when word has entered the mental lexicon, it means that the words has been stored in the human mind and will be received by memory, which will be able to become knowledge in the brain. Do it can produce speech.
Okay, how about you?
Okay, actually, there are three process producing. The first is conceptualization. That he said before, word thrown in lexicon, and then this is a process of conceptualization during which we use what we know about the word, and then we then need to put together the elements of language that will express this idea, drawing on our knowledge of our language, including grammar and lexicon. This is involve a process of formulation. Finally, in order to speak this utterance, we go through a process articulation involve our speech apparatus.
Okay, from me, like your answer near same, but beside on me, first process is conceptualization, where this initial process seeks to model the discourse that will be discussed based on existing knowledge in the brain or general knowledge, so as to produce a message. Now this message begins to form the process of formulation or further process. In this section there is grammar and lexicon, or parts that produce language structure, because we need to call it language elements that will be expressed with the ideas we get from the conceptualization process. To express our language, must go through an articulation process, which involves the expression of ideas that we have made in the brain and express them through utterance. Okay. So what the conclusion about this discussion?
What the conclusion? I don't
Can
know.
you give?
Maybe about conceptualization, we have to throw word in our lexicon or our brain. After that, we have to formulation process like grammatical and phonetical encoding. After that, produce structure what the word in our brain. After that, we produce how to say melalui articulation, produce speech sound.
Okay, that's all from our group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.